value is 9. All of you got the first answer? Yes, Poonam Maps. We have studied about, we are going to learn about coding and decoding. It is a mental ability class and this is a very important class, bacha. Okay, this is a very important class. We will be learning what is coding, decoding, what is single letter coding, and then the double letter coding here. Okay, I'll be teaching you all first of all what is coding, decoding, then I'll be teaching single letter coding and double letter coding. You all will like it. I'm very much sure. And this topic is very important because it enhances the problem solving ability, bacha. It enhances the problem solving ability and also polishes your creativity. All of you, it polishes your creativity and stimulates curiosity because mental ability classes are very good for the development of your brain. Okay, these classes helps your brain to develop. All right. Yes. Okay, so what is coding decoding, bacha? Just I'll give you an example, but before that, let me tell you all. Have you all watched that Doraemon episode where everyone used to keep their name with some numbers? Nobita did not keep the name as Nobita. He wrote something like 1345. Doraemon like 1536. All of them were giving some names to some numbers. They were not writing their names exactly. They were giving some numbers. Yes? Do you all remember? So basically, coding and decoding is what hiding your exact thing with the help of some other thing. You're hiding it basically, right? For example, I'm not writing my name Punam directly. I might write it with some other letters by seeing some pattern, or I can write it with the help of numbers also. Okay, I'm not giving it directly. I'm hiding it with some things. All right. All right, bacha, we are not giving the alphabets directly. We are using some technique so that I can use it. All right, bacha. Like if I can also use like there are 26 letters in the alphabet. I won't write Z. I will write Z as 26, the last letter. We have to decide what is being used. Okay, different ways. For example, instead of B, I will write 2. It is coming in the second place, so I've written 2. Anything can be there. There are different ways of coding and decoding. Okay, bacha? Yes. So now, if I give you an example, there are different options. It's not that always it will be coded with the help of position only, or it will be coded with the help of some other thing. There are different positions, different things, different patterns can be there. So over here, M is coded as 13. Now just listen carefully. Which position is M coming at? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13. M is coming at which position, bacha? It is coming at 30. Now tell me what will N be coded as? If I see the pattern that M is being coded with its position, so tell me what will be the code for N, bacha? All of you drop your answers. If M is being coded as per its position, therefore N should also be coded as per its position, that is 14. Okay, because M is at 13, N is at 14. Clear all of you, bacha? We are over here using the position property, like the place. We are not writing M. Instead of M, I am writing 13. Okay. In the similar way, can you tell me what will be the value? How can I code I as? If I'm coding M as 13, N as 14, how will I code I as? All of you tell me, how am I going to code I? Yes. This is 13, this is 14. Tell me, how am I going to code I? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So over here, we are going to have 9. Okay? Clear? Clear, all of you? Okay. So let us try a few more here. I hope you can solve a quiz question, an easy peasy quiz question. Yes? So here, if you see, Q is being coded at 70. Now, for your convenience, let me count and show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That means Q is using the position. Instead of Q, I'm writing its position in the alphabet. Similarly, all of you can try the position of X here. Count it and tell me what is the position of X here. All of you quickly try, bacha. Let me see how many of you have understood this. Over here, we are not writing the alphabet directly. We are using its place in the alphabet series. Right? We have 26 alphabets. So we are counting the place of the alphabet in that. So you can just try it out, bacha. Okay, let me see if you all have understood this. I'll be giving more. There are various ways. It's not just that always we are placing it as per the number. There can be different codings over here. We can give different codes. So one by one, we'll learn most of them. Very good, bacha. All of you should try and participate here. Okay, everyone should participate here. Okay, I'll be giving you all 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Okay, so here we are going to find it out. All right. So Q is coded at 17. So if you count down the position, bacha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Right? So the right option is option number B because X is coming at the 24th position. Okay? Yes? Yes, bacha? All right. So, are you all ready for hashtag level one? We'll have different coding decodings levels here. Ready for hashtag level one? Quickly give me a hashtag one in the chat box, Bacha Party. Let me see if you all are excited for today's session. Hashtag one. Very good. So now we are going to do single letter coding. At one time, only one letter is being coded. Simple questions. Slowly, slowly we'll level up. Okay, we are coding a single letter with the help of some other letters or numbers. So now we are, so if B is numbers, so now we are going towards the right hand side. For example, I am writing A not as A but as C. Means I'm writing it just the later one. I'm writing A as C. Then how will I write B as? Tell me, bacha. If I'm writing A as C, how will I write B as? Very good. After A, B comes, I'm not writing. I'm skipping one and writing C. Similarly, after B, C comes, I will skip that and I will write D. So these are the different codings and decodings. So let us try one by one. So if D is coded as F, can you see? After D, what comes, bacha? E. I'm not writing E, I'm writing one letter F. I'm skipping it, right? I'm skipping G and writing it as F. So can you tell me how can I write G as? After D, E comes, but I did not write that. I wrote F. So in a similar way, tell me how can I code G as? How can I code G as? So I'll be writing it not as H, I. So it is what basically skip counting. Okay. After D, we are skipping E and writing F. Similarly, after G, we are skipping H and writing I. I hope all of you have understood, bacha. Clear? In a similar pattern, tell me how can I write N as? How can I write N as, bacha party? How will I write N as in the similar code? Tell me. After N, O comes, I will not be writing O, bacha. We are skipping one. So after N, O comes, I won't be writing O, I'll be writing P. Yes? Can you tell me how will I write U as in the similar code? How will I write U in the similar code, bacha? How will I write U in the similar code? I won't be writing V, which is just right to it. I'll be writing W. Understood, bacha? So here the pattern being followed was skipping one letter, right? We were skipping one letter. All right, I'll explain it once again. We are skipping one letter here. See, after A, I'm not writing B, I'm writing C. Okay, just write the next one letter you skip and then write the next one. So after A, B was coming, don't write it, write C. For C, what I will do, I will not write D, I will write E. For K, what I will do, I will not write L, I will write M. Just skip one and write it. Okay? Understood? How will I write O in the similar manner? I will skip P, I will write Q. Okay, bacha party, did you all understand? Give me a one in the chat box. Let me see if you all understood this single letter coding by now. It can be different thing. If I am following like A is being written as D, so in that matter F will be written as I. I am skipping 2. There can be different patterns. Okay? Lots of one here in the chat box, bacha. I want lots of one here in the chat box. Very good. Okay. So, can you all try this question? If H is coded as J, similar thing. It is being skipped. After H, I comes, I am skipping that, I am writing J. So, one letter skipping coding. Can you tell me how can I write Q as? All of you drop your answers in the chat box. Let me see how can I write Q as? Yes, yes, all of you. Very good. Very good. I can see many of them are saying my name starts with S. All right. Very good, bacha. So here we are writing H as after H what comes? I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, everything. S. So what I am doing, I'm not writing H, I'm writing H as J, skipping one letter. Similarly for Q, what I have to do, skip one letter, it will be S. Understood, Bacha Party? It is going to be S here. Yes, we are skipping one. So I'm skipping I got J. Similarly for Q, I'm skipping R, I got S. Okay? Very good. How many of you have your name starting with S? Lots of them. Ha ha ha. All right. We'll give you some quiz question. Ready for the quiz question, Bacha Party? Yes? All right. So quickly solve this question. If Q is coded as S, I have given this reference over here for all of you. You can take the reference for you. Try it out. If O is coded as Q, then J is coded as. O is coded as Q, then J will be coded as. Try it out, all of you. O is coded as Q, then J will be coded as. Going backward. I'm going backward now. So we are going to have the coding of backward form. Ready for it, bacha? Yes. So tell me, if D is being coded as C, how will M be coded as? If D is being coded as C, how can we code M as? Tell me. All of you, I can see many of them are writing I in the chat box. Bacha, do not get confused with I and L. Choose the correct letter. I can see many of them are writing I in the chat box here. See, if D is being coded as C, that it is going one letter backward. कहाँ जा रहा है बच्चा? One letter backward. So similarly, M will be going one letter backward. What will I get? It is going to be L. For those who have written I, be careful with I and L. It has to be L. Okay? Yes? All right. So tell me, if Y is being coded as X, then B is coded as? If Y is being coded as X, then B is coded as, bacha? Tell me. If Y is being coded as X, then how can we code B as? Very good. So Y is going one letter backward. So similarly, B will also go one letter backwards. We are going to get A as the answer. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yes. Is it easy peasy lemon squeezy? Yes or no? Let me see how many of them are understanding the concept. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Very good, bacha. If T is coded as S, if T is coded as S, it's moving backward, bacha. Then X will be coded as. All right. So G is being coded as F. So in the similar code, how can I code L as? If G is being coded for hashtag level, so now we are going backward, but we are skipping letters. Like I'm not going directly A, B, C, D, not writing D as C directly. Like we were skipping in this form at front, I was writing A as C, skipping B. Similar, we'll be going backward, skipping letters. Okay, so we are going backward, but we are skipping letters in the backward direction. Okay, I'll explain you with the help of some examples. For example, F is being coded as D. So if you see, I'm moving in the backward direction. F is being coded as D over here. So we are skipping how many letters, bacha? One letter. I have skipped E. I'm moving backward and skipping as well. Moving backward plus skipping one letter. Okay. So similarly, O will be coded as. O will be coded as. I'll be skipping N and write M. So O will be coded as M, bacha. Clear? All of you? What we are doing, we are going in the backward direction and we are skipping one. So when I went backward of O, I skipped N and wrote M. Like from F, I skipped E and wrote D here. Okay, can you all tell me how can I write U over here? In the similar pattern, how can I code U? All of you tell me how can I code U here? I will be skipping T and writing S. Understood? Okay, so all of you, can you all tell me how can I write Poonam here with this code? Tell me, bacha. Tell me, bacha, over here, how can I write Poonam here with this code? I have to go backward, skipping one letter for each. What will be the code for P, bacha? What will be the code for P? I'll be skipping O. I will write N. Very good. What will be the code for U, bacha? For U, what will I do? It will be one skipping of T. I will write S. Very good. What about N? How will I code N as? How will I code N as? I will skip M and write L. Some of them are saying K. It has to be L. Now I have to write A. What will I do for A? I have to go backward. So there is nothing before A. That means I'll go from here. From A, we can come to Z directly. So I'll be skipping Z. I'll be writing Y. Okay. And the last one is M. What will I do for M? I will skip L. I will write K. So over here, this A letter came. That was difficult for all of you. Understood, bacha? So all of you, I'm giving one task. Write your name and code in this letter, this pattern, quickly. If your name is Rohan, write your name Rohan and do this backward counting, skipping one and count. For R, what it has to be, I'll skip Q, I will write P. For O, I will skip N, I will write M. For H, I will skip G, I will write F. For A, I will skip Z, I will write Y. For N, I will skip M, I will write L. Okay? All of you? Okay. So for your respective names, you can do this. You can see any pattern which is being followed here, you can use it there. Okay, bacha? So can you all solve one more question? J is being coded as H. J is being coded as H. So see here, J is being coded as H means I'm skipping one letter backward. So how can I write M as I? If Q is coded as O, see it's the backward skipping only. If Q is coded as O, how? Yes. If T is coded as R, again we are going backward, we are skipping one. So if T is being coded as R, hashtag level 3, we are going to do double letter coding. Okay, so there will be a pattern, we'll be following that and you have to get the code for other one. See, AB is being coded as CD. So what are we doing? After AB, just what comes? CD. Two letter was there, I have to choose the next two letters easily. Okay, so for PQ, what will be the code? Just the next two letters, tell me, bacha. What will it be? It will be RS. Similarly, can you tell me the code for LM? What will be the code for LM? What will be the code for LM? I can see you're saying you are telling no, I will not tell the answer. You will not tell me the answer? Or the answer is only no? Okay, the answer is only no. It will be coded as LM is coded as no. So tell me, how will we code TU as? How are we going to tell TU as? Tell me. VW. Very good. Then FG as? How can I code FG as? FG. FG को कैसे code करेंगे बच्चा पार्टी? It will be HI. Hi. Okay. All right. So let us solve few quiz question here. Can you all solve it, bacha party? Can you all solve few quiz questions? Okay. Let us try. So if WX is being coded as YZ, tell me how can I write DES? Easy peasy question. All of you different types. GH is coded as IJ. Then tell me how can I code PQ as? Similar pattern. All numbering of letters. We are not writing the letters, we are using the numbers for it. So tell me, if UV is being written as 21, 22, how will I write PQ as? Now there is some twist. How can I write it as? Tell me, if UV is being written as 21, 22, how can I write PQ as? Try, bacha. See, be careful. What is the position of U here? Count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And the position of V was 22. So what are we doing? We are not writing the letter directly. We are writing its position in the place. So I gave you an idea. We can use the CP, Lorax and EJOT to find it easily. Or we can do the counting. So what is the position of PQ, bacha? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So the answer is going to be 16 and 17. Be careful once again. Let us count it all, bacha. Let us count it together once again. We are starting from A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So the answer is 16, 17. Okay? Yes. Can you tell me the answer for over here as J M N? Can you tell me what will JMNS be written as? JMN को कैसे लिखेंगे बच्चा? JMN को how will I write JMN? Tell me. What will be the code for J? Tell me. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or if I remember EJOT, I can say E is for 5, J is for 10. What about M? M is at what position? It is at 13. It is exactly between. And N is at 14. Okay. So let us try a few questions here. Tell me if KL is being coded as 11, 12, how will I code QR as? How can I code QR as if KL is being coded as 11, 12? Tell me the answer for QR, bacha. Just look into the pattern and tell me the answer for QR, all of you. Let me know. All of you should try it out here. So can you all solve a quiz question, bacha party? Quickly try it out. If QR is being coded as 17, 18, tell me how is XY being coded as? If QR is being coded as 17, 18, tell me how can I code XY as? If you remember CFI Laura, try it out then. If HI is being coded as 0809, then IJ will be coded as? Try similar pattern. Don't be in hurry. Choose the correct option. Take your time. Many of them are doing it wrong. And today we have learned about what is coding, decoding, single letter, both forward and backward, also about double letter, continuous numbering and multiplication. All these things today we have discussed. Right? So all of you do not forget to complete your homework right at the class. Collect your coins, bacha party. Yes? Count it. What is the position of H? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have written, say, Tata. Have a great